How to install Playnite in PC step by step. So hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So how to install your Playnite on your PC. Here's a step by step guide. All you have to do is open a browser, any browser you like. You could do Edge, or as you can see, mine I'm using Microsoft. So all I need to do is type in Playnite in the search right there. After searching that, this will pop up. All you need to do is press on the first one right here. After pressing on that right here, next thing we need to do, Playnite's open source, video game, blah blah blah, and then click on download right here. You will see like a download button right here. Press on that and this will pop right here. So as you can see right now, we just need to press on that right there. And then once we're here, here's the installer right here. All we need to do is double click on the installer. After double clicking on the store right here, now we're going to choose a destination folder. So we just go with this one right here, then click on install. After doing that, it's gonna download. So as you can see right now, it's a bit fast, so you won't have to worry about waiting for a long time when you're gonna download. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, downloading. It's almost I think it's 70, 80, 90, and 100%. Now it's just installing. So it's gonna be a quick one. There you go. As you can see, I'll wait for a few seconds. Beep. Boop. So yeah, there you go. As you can see right now, here it is. Now our Playnite has now been downloaded. So there you guys, that's how you download your Playnite step by step. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, if you have any more other questions on how like errors or something like that, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys, and thank you guys.